Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start and continue our topic. This is a types of reaction, and but we have done so far. It's a matter which exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Then after we know that all the matter they are made up of atoms. They are the tiny particles that made a matter, and when atoms are combined, they form a molecule. Now, what are the pure substance? Pure substance which are made up of same kind of particles, and they are called pure substances. And pure substances further classified into three categories: elements, compounds, and mixture. So in this chapter, this is the first one chapter of the chemistry and the third chapter in your textbook. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss as always, but before we begin, let's have a quick recap on the topics. And the topics that we covered, it's a number one, chemical symbols. And the chemical symbols, just like the sodium, it is represented by the chemical symbol Na, and the calcium is Ca. And we have done so many symbols so far, so you have to learn all the symbols. Next one topic, chemical formula. And the chemical formula, just like a sodium chloride, and the sodium chloride, in the sodium chloride we have done, it's a NaCl, and the so many compounds are there, just like the calcium carbonate, CaCO3, aluminium sulfate, Al2SO4 thrice, and so many chemical formulas are there. And the one topic which was left, it was the chemical changes. What happens in the chemical changes? A new substance is formed in a chemical reaction. Whenever a chemical reaction completed, a new substance is formed, just like the example rusting of iron. When iron is rusting, it is totally destroyed. It means that a new substance is formed. Decomposition of limestone. Limestone means calcium carbonate. When a calcium carbonate decomposes, it turns into a two compounds, just like the number one, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now next one topic, it's a balancing of chemical equation, in which we have done mass of the reactants, it is equal to mass of the products. It means that mass of the reactant must be equal to mass of the product, just like the NaCl plus Cl2. So what we get here, 2NaCl. The next one, H2SO4, NaOH, Na2SO4, 2H2. So we have to balance the equation. Now come to the topic. In the topic, it's the next one topic, it's a types of reaction. So it is today's our topic, and the types of reaction, there are four types of reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and neutralization reaction. So four types of reaction that we have to study in this topic. So let's first of all, let's start the combination reaction. In the combination reaction, from the name, it means that two or more reactants combine. Combine means they combine to form a new product. So here in the figure, just like the two reactants are A and B, and they form AB. AB means a new product is formed or a single product is formed. So just like the examples are given, so many examples are there, but in the fair notebook you have to write only two examples. This is the first one, burning of coal. Coal is made up of carbon, and the carbon, when it is burnt in the presence of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide gas. In the next one, H2O2. H2O2, when they combine, they form a water molecule. This is H2O. And the next one examples are also given. So in all the examples, if you check this, it's a FES and S. Everyone, there are in every case there are two reactants and they form a single product. Here the triangle symbol, it represents the heat. And H2Cl2, it takes place in the presence of light, and it forms a hydrogen chloride gas. So combination reaction, two or more reactant combine to form a single product. Next one, we have a decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, we can call this, it is the opposite of combination reaction. Just like a single reactant, it breaks down into a two or more products. So here in the example you can see AB, it is a single reactant and it decomposes into A plus B. So it is completely opposite to the combination reaction. So in the example you can check here, it is a 2H2O and it is breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. Next one, calcium carbonate. This is a limestone which breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So decomposition reaction, these are the examples. And next one we have displacement reaction. In the displacement reaction, in simple words, a powerful person displaces the weak person. So here in the diagram you can see here, in the diagram it is the girl which is replaced by the powerful girl. So the combination is like this, and in the simple words, A plus BC, and it gives AC plus B. It means that A replaced the B because A is more powerful than B. So B will be replaced, and the new product that we get, this is AC and B. AC and B. And in the definition, a chemical reaction in which one reactant it displaces another in a compound. So here we have a examples. In the example, Z and S CuSO4. So first one example, let's have a first one example. Zinc is more powerful than this copper. कॉपर से ज़्यादा पावरफुल है तो ये कॉपर को डिस्प्लेस कर देगा, और आपको प्रोडक्ट में क्या मिलेगा, जिंक सल्फेट प्लस कॉपर. एंड ऑल आर other three examples are also there. Aluminium is more powerful than Cu, so it displaces copper and forms a compound here, aluminium sulfate. So in all cases, zinc, aluminium, Fe and Pb is a lead, all are more powerful than Cu, and it displaces and forms a new product. So displacement means in a compound a reactant is displaces another in a compound. Let's have a next one, and the last one reaction, it is neutralization reaction. Neutralization means we have to make the neutral. And in this reaction, acid and base, always keep in mind, acid and base, they react each other to form salt and water. So in the first one example, HCl is a acid, and base is a NaOH. And what is the formed here? NaCl is a salt, and water formula we know that it is H2O. And the next one, HNO3 is a formula of nitric acid, and KOH is a base. So nitric acid whenever reacts with a KOH, potassium hydroxide, it forms potassium nitrate and water. So in the neutralization reaction, it is a different types of reaction. If you check, it is a different types of reaction than all above three. So keep in mind, acid and base